type of kitchen is currently installed in your home? Can you tell us about that?
Currently, I have a modular kitchen. 10 years back, we worked with the plywood kind of thing because that time it was not very well aware by the people. Now we are living modular kitchen.
Okay, ma'am. So, what are the current common problems which you face in your current kitchen? Like, what you feel?
See, currently I'm not facing much problem, but earlier when I was with that
Plywood.
older kind of kitchen with plywood and ceramical kind of thing, then I had a number of problems like cockroaches, termites, water resistant it was not there, water spill, oil spill. We cannot clean things, and things were not placed well because it was shelf kind of things. Now
Yes,
with
ma'am.
modular we can get everything from corner itself. So now it's far better.
Okay, ma'am. How much you invested in your modular kitchen?
Around 1 lakh 5,000 or so.
At that point of time.
Yeah, no, not.
How many?
I think 3 4 years back.
3 years. 3 4 years.
Yeah.
And so, ma'am, what do you feel that?
Including the chimney and all setup and so.
Okay, so including all the devices you
Yeah,
invested
yeah,
in.
yeah.
And so you got it done with from some local vendor or from some big brand?
See, the things are branded,
Okay.
but installation part was done by the local vendor.
How you feel that the modular kitchen is much? You feel that modular kitchen is much better than the old kitchen. So can you tell us something more about how it is better?
It's better in the sense like we have more comfortable in working. We know where things are placed. Everything is as per the requirement. Anybody, I mean, kids can also go and work in the kitchen because things are placed well. And cleaning is much more easier than the earlier one. Maintenance is quite easy. I mean, quite lesser cost and as well as good enough. So the kitchen always look very well maintained and also it's good enough.
Ma'am, what do you think about using MDF in your modular kitchen? You have already installed a modular kitchen in your home, but it just currently does not have MDF in it. So MDF is a much better material than what the current substitutes are.
Of course, it would be because as you have already said that it's water resistant, it's oil resistant. So of course, it would be better. I mean, it will enhance on to what we have. It's adding on to the material that we have. Like earlier, we had plywood kind of thing. Prior to that, we had open kitchen kind of things. Now, then we came back to this plywood kind of thing. Now, then the modular kitchen, and then we came to MDF. So of course it is good enough. Adding on to what we have.
Ma'am, if currently suppose you decide to redesign your kitchen, how much you are ready to invest to redesign your kitchen? Suppose currently.
I think 10% more.
Okay.
Yeah, 10 more % what I had invested earlier.
Ma'am, are you aware of the brand Kitchen City?
I have heard about it, but I didn't visit it.
Basically, it's an Italian
Yeah,
brand.
I do know. I have heard it. I think they are advertising through radio niches and all also.
Okay.
Probably.
Ma'am, what do you think about the brand? Whether you know much or you just heard about it?
I have heard about it. One thing, and second, my idea about brand is, of course, brand is something which people go with it. But at the same time, quality they do have. At the same time, they should think about the prices also. That is a basic thing. Like what is happening in this scenario is local vendors they are very much reachable to the customers and they provide the same material, same quality in lesser cost. I think the reason is because of the supply chain management. They get material directly from other place and they get installed. But here with the showrooms, they have an interior designer with them. They design things according to you, and then somehow the cost goes up. This is the perception of people, which even I do have.
Okay.
I think it may not be there, or it is there. Even I am not clear with it.
So basically, you are saying that the material which both the local or the brand use both are same, but the other flaps which they provide basically it increases the cost and the customers do not like it.
Exactly.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Basically, what do you feel that if Kitchen City reduces its cost and maybe they can remove these slabs and provide the same material without doing much interior designing and other stuff? Would you like to have by?
No, then their quality would be reduced. No? They have to provide interior designing also with a lesser cost.
Okay.
I mean, they have to design things in that manner that the cost and quality should go hand in hand.
Okay.
This is what a local vendor does. And another part which a local vendor is giving is he is readily available with us all the time. We just need to ping him and he is with us. He is ready to give his services. At the same time, once the things are brought from showroom, we keep on calling to them, and they are not responding. This is one thing that people don't trust. I mean, people don't go for these kind of things.
Okay. So basically, you are saying that once the installation part is done, these brands never like they do
Turn
not
up.
they do
They
not
don't
turn up.
turn up, yeah.
But the brand Kitchen City provides a warranty of 10 years, and basically what we heard from them is that they usually they do not get much complaints, and even if they do get, they just like reinstall the whole part. If there is some problem in some part, they will reinstall the whole
This
part.
has to reach to the customers. I think this is not reaching to the customers. And after sale service is more important rather than a sale of a product.
Okay.
So after sale service makes a brand image or a better brand. So this has to be done. I don't have an idea about
Kitchen City.
yeah, kitchen setting.
Okay, so basically you are saying that if they are providing these services, then probably they should reach to the customers and
Customers.
tell them that we are providing.
Yeah.
So I'm supposing that Kitchen City is providing all these services and like
Prices also.
prices are also little bit low, then would you like to go for Kitchen City?
Of course, because we can see things readily available there. We can have an idea. In fact, people go to those kind of showrooms and then they take an idea and then they go with the local vendors. So
Okay.
somehow Kitchen City is being used.
Hmm.
So what I suggest is they themselves should be so humble and they themselves should change their things in such a manner that they can be a service provider to the customers. Right? Thank you.